been long I've been doing my best to get you to know how much I love you. But it seems you don't even have notice of that.
You know, if you say you get sense, you can not say what you talk about nonsense.
I am not married.
No time to waste with a man you have no future with in this jet age.
But we really have to be. You wanna get what must time that are keeping me waiting for you here for over an hour. I was calling you, you were not even taking my calls.
I was having issues with Joy. She found out about us. I was even going to ask you how that happened.
What kind of stupid question could that have been?
Did you just speak that impeccable grammar?
Yes, I did.
Huh? Oh, you got this your work.
I mean, no, I beg you. Your mama I want rush go settle.
What's the matter? You go settle.
I should be asking you that who is still seeing her.
I'm going to die. You understand? Don't you poison my drink. I'm going to kill you.
Love kill you there. Philip, love kill you there.
You are busy catwalking, deceiving yourself with all those lies Mike is feeding you.
And I'm honestly not as classless as you think.
I have told you to leave that stupid girl. All the time you'll be the one that is going to care for her. You'll be the one. What is it? Eunice is an adult.
Is it always all about the money? It's not.
When Eunice, local girl,
Who is about to write her WAEC and JAMB exam?
Get your hands off me.
You were nowhere to be found when your so-called girlfriend and her lesbian husband fought me and then called her useless police officer boyfriend to lock my sister up. Tell them that the war has just begun.
I was in China when I was alerted that there is a petition raised against me over money laundering.
All of them kidnapped me, there is plenty. Now you shot fast, now you fear fast. I say, as I did the hear Dracula, I say blood in his mouth. The day when you open his face, no blood for his mouth.
Why?
Because there's going to be a return match.